Hi guys, it's Nunu and it is week 9 in modules, March 29th through April 5th. It's spring break. There's no homework, no class. Use your time to complete any missing assignments or read text for upcoming assignments. You can go into modules here. And remember, modules is our Bible to the classroom. It contains all of our assignments. You can go into the left menu and click here or use this handy link. I'm going to use this link here. And it takes me right away into week 9. There's no homework. I can go up from week 9, however, to week 8, to week 7, all the way back to the beginning of the semester, and I can complete any homework that's missing. It's all here. You can also go ahead from week 9 and read texts that we're going to read that are coming up. They're all in these assignments, and you can survey these assignments if you choose to. Okay, I'm going to use a back arrow, and it will take me back into home, and I'm going to wish you a happy, safe, wonderful, restful, productive spring break. I will be in the inbox. If you have any questions or concerns for me, let me know. I'm posting the self-graded assignments with my notes to you this week during spring break. We just completed that in week 8. And I may be messaging some of you about missing work and asking you if there's anything I can do to help. Okay, once again, have a fabulous spring break.